Our top focus at this hour, Rekha Gupta will take oath as Delhi's Chief Minister at Ramlila Maidan today. Gupta will be the fourth woman Chief Minister of India's national capital and second from the BJP after late Sushma Swaraj. Rekha Gupta met Delhi's Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena yesterday and staked claim to form government in the national capital. This after she was chosen as the leader of the House in the Delhi Assembly in a meeting of BJP legislators, members of the parliament and office bearers yesterday.
एक कमिटमेंट जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने दिल्ली की जनता से की है, उन सभी कमिटमेंट्स को पूरा करना मेरे जीवन का लक्ष्य है और टाइम बाउंड तरीके से आदरणीय मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में दिल्ली सरकार काम करेगी और सभी विधायक टीम मोदी बन करके अपने इन सारे कमिटमेंट्स को पूरा करने के लिए लगेंगे।
Rekha Gupta had won the Shalimar Bagh Northwest seat in the 2025 Delhi Assembly election with over 68,200 votes. Rekha Gupta's experience in the party's preference for a woman leader for the capital clearly took her through. Gupta's tenure as a former mayor and active role in BJP-led initiatives in Delhi had made her a strong contender for the role. 50-year-old Rekha Gupta is a seasoned BJP leader with a long political career rooted in student leadership. She is currently General Secretary of Delhi BJP and has been National Vice President of BJP's Women's Wing. Along with Rekha Gupta, senior leader Parvesh Verma, who defeated former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal from the New Delhi seat, will take oath as the Deputy Chief Minister, while Ashish Sood, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Ravinder Indraj Singh, Kapil Mishra and Pankaj Kumar Singh will take oath as ministers. Now, the BJP won 48 out of the 70 seats in the state elections held on the 5th of February. The party returns to form a government in Delhi after more than 27 years. The last time there was a BJP-led government in Delhi was between 1993 and 1998. And for more on this, WION correspondent Dharamjot Kaur is joining us on the phone line from the Ramlila Maidan in New Delhi. Dharamjot, thank you so much for joining us. Of course, let me begin by asking you, what's the mood on ground right now? What's happening? All right, we'll try and connect with Dharamjot Kaur once again. But for now, Rekha Gupta will take oath as Delhi's Chief Minister at Ramlila Maidan in a short while from now. And she will be the fourth woman Chief Minister of India's national capital and the second from BJP. This is after the late Sushma Swaraj. Rekha Gupta met with Delhi's Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena yesterday night, staked claim to form the government. This was after she was chosen as the leader of the House in the Delhi Assembly in a meeting of BJP legislators yesterday. Now, Rekha Gupta had won the Shalimar Bagh, that's the Northwest seat, in 2025 Delhi Assembly elections with over 68,200 votes, and Gupta's experience and party's preference for woman leader for the capital clearly took her through. Now, her tenure as a former mayor and has played an active role in BJP-led initiatives in Delhi, which made her a strong contender for the role. She is a seasoned BJP leader with a long political career rooted in student leadership, is currently the General Secretary of Delhi BJP and has been the National Vice President of BJP's Women's Wing. Rekha Gupta will take oath as Delhi's Chief Minister at the Ramlila Maidan, for which traffic advisory was issued as well. I believe we have Dharamjot Kaur back online with us. Dharamjot, thank you so much for joining us. Let me ask you again, what's the mood on ground currently, Dharamjot? What's happening?
Well, again, there are thousands of people present over here. If you can hear the commotion, it's very loud. So many people have come, not just from Delhi, but from neighboring states and cities as well. Top leadership from the BJP, from the MDP. Everyone is here to witness BJP's return to Delhi after over 22 years. Any moment now, the Prime Minister is expected to arrive, the Home Minister is expected to arrive, and then shortly after that, the ceremony is going to begin. As you rightly mentioned, traffic advisory Delhi because so many people have gathered here. There is thousands, it's a massive population of party workers and party supporters who are present here at the Ram Leela ground to witness the BJP make history after over 27 years here in the National Gallery.
All right, of course, Dharamjot, of course, we can hear the commotion. We will try and get back in touch with you. Thank you so much for bringing us the latest for now, though. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.